Hello everyone. Today I'm going to review this all these 9 books of Vinod Publications. These all are DL&ED EDT first year books of Punjabi medium. Uh, all are bestseller books as per the new syllabus pattern of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. These books are strictly according to the new syllabus prescribed by State Council of Educational Research and Training, SCERT Punjab. So let's review all of these books one by one. First of all, I'll talk about Contemporary Indian Society and check this book. Unit wise syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1, you can check this out. Then Unit 2, Constitution of India and Education. Unit 3, Democracy in India. Then Unit 4, Economy. Then you can see Unit 5, some suggested projects on contemporary Indian issues. You can see this, Then contents are there, unit wise again. Unit 1, India, the freedom struggle and independence. Then Unit 2, then page numbers are given, you can check. Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5. So you can verify the contents with the syllabus and you can check everything in contents is there which was there in syllabus. It also highlighted in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable both kind of readers. You can go to any particular page, find that particular topic, read it. Also topics inside are also highlighted in both English and Punjabi. So if you are easy in English, reading English language, you can still buy the book. 229.50 is the price of the book. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call them directly at 9218 and book will be delivered to you within 3-4 days only. You can go to any available bookstore nearby your location also and buy this book at 229.50 rupees. So I highly recommend Contemporary Indian Society book of ETT first year. Now again another book is Childhood and Development of Children. Again a great amazing cover of this book. Unit wise everything is mentioned. Unit 1, Perspectives and Development. Unit 2, Physical, Motor and Cognitive Development. Unit 3, Social and Emotional Development. Unit 4, Notion of Childhood. Unit 5, Context of Socialization. Then contents are mentioned. You can see unit wise it's mentioned. Page numbers are also given given in both English and Punjabi language. Unit 2, then Unit 3, Unit 4, Notion of Childhood. Unit 5, Context of Socialization. So you can go to any particular page, find that particular topic and read it. It's a very good book. Inside points are also highlighted in English and Punjabi to make it comfortable both kind of readers. Price of book is 229.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call them directly at 9218 or you can go to any available bookstore nearby your location and find this book at 229.50. I highly recommend Childhood and Development of Children. Another book is Education, Society, Curriculum and Learners. Another ETT first year book. Unit 1, Philosophical Understanding of Education. Unit 2, Education, Politics and Society. Unit 3, Learning, Learner and Teaching. Unit 4, Knowledge and Curriculum. All these are given and contents are mentioned. You can check unit wise. Unit 1, so many things are there. Page numbers are also given. Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Knowledge and Curriculum. Everything is completely explained. So now you can go to any page number, find a particular topic and read it. Points highlighted in both English and Punjabi. Price of book is just 229.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218 or you can go to any available bookstore nearby location and book will be available to you within just 3-4 days only. 229.50 for Education, Society, Curriculum and Learners. I highly recommend this book. Another book is Pedagogy and ICT Across the Curriculum. Unit wise syllabus. Unit 1, Framework for Teaching and Learning. Then role of assessment, use of library, and the contents are also given. You can check them out till unit 3. Another amazing book, very well explained. So many things are given. Book has 408 pages and price is just rupees 229.50. It covers everything in detail. You can buy it on Flipkart or Amazon, or call them directly at 98763844590, or you can also go to any available bookstore nearby your location, buy it at just rupees 229.50 rupees only. I highly recommend Pedagogy and ICT course the curriculum. Another one is Children's Physical and Emotional Health and Yoga Education, ETT first year, again a bestseller. Unit wise everything is given. Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then contents unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with page numbers given, also with English and Hindi. English and Punjabi language both written. Going to go to any particular page, find that particular topic, read it. Diagrams are also given whenever required. Things are highlighted in both Punjabi and English. 129.50 is the only price of this book. It's available on Flipkart or Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218219218, or you can buy it from any available bookstore nearby your location at 129.50 rupees only. Next one is Pedagogy of Mathematics, DLIT first year. New syllabus, unit 1 Algebra Thinking, unit 3 Practical Arithmetic and Handling Data, unit 4 Geometric Ways of Looking at Space and Shapes, unit 5 Communicating Mathematics, unit 6 Mathematical Reasoning, unit 7 Assignment. Then contents, pedagogical content, knowledge and all, everything is given. 2 unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit. Go to any particular page, find that particular topic, read it also. Price is just rupees 229.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218219218, or you can buy it from any available bookstore nearby location at 229.50 rupees only. Pedagogy of Mathematics, highly recommendable. Next book is Learning Mother Tongue, again ETT first year book. Unit wise syllabus, unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Contents 1. You can check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to any page, find that topic, read it. Very amazing book. In both topics are highlighted in both English and Punjabi to make it comfortable for both kind of readers. Price is just 229.50 rupees only. You can buy it on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call at 98763844590, or you can go to any available bookstore nearby location and buy it just 229.50. I highly recommend Learning Mother Tongue and Other Languages in and outside the school. Next book is Pedagogy of Environmental Studies. You can check out syllabus, unit 1, 2, 3, 4. Contents, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. So everything is completely given. Go to any particular page and find that particular topic, read it. Price is just 229.50, available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 98763844590 for home delivery, or you can also buy from any available bookstore nearby your location at just 229.50. I highly recommend this book, Pedagogy of Environmental Studies. Next book is, the last book is Pedagogy of Proficiency in English. Unit 1, 2, 3, 4. And then contents are also given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything is completely explained in this book. You can check this out. Go to any particular topic, particular page, and find that particular topic and read any particular topic. Everything is very explained in detail. Price of the book is just 229.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 98763-84590. You can buy it from any available bookstore nearby location also at 229.50 rupees. I highly recommend again Professors in English, very good book. Again, Professors in English. Now all these 9 books are great bestseller books of Vinod Publications of DL at first year, and of Vinod Publication with the most trusted publishing firm of India. I highly recommend you each one of them. Each one of book will be definitely help you in exams. I highly recommend, must buy these books. It will definitely help you. Thank you so much.